Hi everyone, Mark here again, back to do a few more science experiments. I hope you are all keeping safe and well at home, and I hope you're enjoying these experiments. We're going to try and keep them coming to you as long as possible. The first one we're going to look at today is we're going to look at surface tension and on a liquid and how that reacts with different things. And then the second one we're going to revisit an experiment we did before with the ice and the salt in the tin, but we're going to look at it in a different way. So let's get cracking on the first experiment. Okay, so the first experiment, most of you will probably have seen this somewhere before. What it is it's been used to demonstrate with the coronavirus and how soap works to take it off your hands and how it actually kills it. But what I'm going to do today is actually explain the science behind what's actually happening. All right, so the first thing that we need to do is we need to get our plate. Okay, then what we need to do is we're going to pour some water into the middle of the plate, like so, just a little bit. Then we are going to get some pepper. I'm going to put a load of pepper on the middle of this. It should spread out in a big pool like so. All right. So, put our normal finger in. We're not really disrupting the flow of the pepper. It's moving just slightly. All right. So what's happening here is water has a thing called surface tension, and it is spread out like so on the plate, and we've got the pepper sitting on top. So what if we take a little bit of washing up liquid, put it on our fingers, what's going to happen is the washing up liquid is going to reduce the surface tension, and therefore the water hopefully will expand out, and with it it's going to take the pepper away as well. Can everyone see that? We go around. See there? It's pushing the pepper to the side with it because it's trying to get away from the washing up liquid. And that's all about creating the different levels of surface tension. Just a little quick experiment. People were saying before that this is the coronavirus and that it spreads out when you put washing up liquid on your hands. But that's the science behind it there now. Hi everyone, so the second experiment we're going to look at is we're going to look at one that we did before with the ice and the salt. If we remember, we put it into the tin can and we added salt to it and it started freezing and made frost. So this time we're just going to look at a different way of doing it. So what we have here is we have an ice cold glass of water, and what we're going to do is we're going to add our ice cube to it. Hopefully it'll stick. Now we want to get a piece of thread. I have one here, if I can pick it up. I'm going to lay it over the ice cube, like so. And then we want to just get a small amount, very small amount of salt, and just spread it over the ice cube, like so. I think I even put too much on it there, but what's going to happen there is now the salt will actually reduce the freezing point of the ice, and then what that'll mean is that some of the ice will start to melt. As it melts, the water will pool over and the thread will fall down further into the ice cube. But as the salt disappears, the ice should refreeze, and then we should be able to lift the ice cube out with the thread. So it can take a minute or so to do that, so we're just going to have to wait and we'll see. Let's see if we can see it here. Lift this up now, slowly lift it up, and there we go. It is actually melted through onto the ice cube. Alright, so that's just a different way of looking at how the salt and the ice react. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed those two experiments. Next week we're going to look at sound and sound waves. So what we're going to do is hopefully make two items. So we're going to make speakers for our phone so that you can play music from out of household items, and we're going to make a musical instrument. We're going to try and make a harmonica. So we'll need the following. We'll need the inner tube of a kitchen paper or toilet roll. Kitchen paper is a bit better because it's a little bit longer. Two paper or plastic disposable cups. They're going to be used as our speakers. We need some rubber bands, some lollipop sticks, we need some paper, and we need some sellotape. Alright, so stay safe, and I'll see you next week. Okay, bye bye.